irrespective of the fact whether you are a yoga practitioner or not, pranayam is a term well known to the world. Now, a lot of time people don't understand how to initiate into pranayam. I mean, for everything there is a sequence, there is a step to move further into the practice. Similarly, once you plan to move into pranayam, it's very important to cross a bridge from breathing to the pranayam so that you are ready to perform pranayam in the right manner. In this video, I am going to talk about Samaveta pranayam. Samaveta means together. So in this one, which is actually the stepping stone for pranayam, we inhale and exhale from both the nasal passage. Now during this one, what we do when we inhale, we fill the stomach with the air and then the chest in a wave-like motion when we inhale, and when we exhale, we empty the chest and then the stomach in a wave-like motion. That was a part of the breathing. Now when we inhale, what we do, after the inhalation, we retain the breath, and after the exhalation, we relax completely. Again we inhale, we retain the breath, and as we exhale, we just release the chest and the stomach and relax. So basically what we are trying to do, we are trying to prepare ourselves for the kumbhak or the breath retention, which is an integral part of the pranayam. Let me start. You will assume any sitting posture as per your comfort. Check your spine tall. Always exhale before starting. When you inhale, you create a wave-like motion in which stomach is going out, then your chest. When you exhale, chest is relaxing, stomach is relaxing, but in between the two, there is a breath retention. So I am just going with few rounds. That was a simple process of being aware of your breathing. Before you start this one, make sure you practice few rounds of yogic breathing. You can check my video on yogic breathing in detail, and when you do that, you will see when you are practicing Samaveta pranayama, there is automatic breath retention. You will enjoy. There is no effort at all. That's why when you start, the breath retention after your inhalation will be maybe 2 to 3, and then again come down with exhalation. With regular practice, you start increasing the breath retention, move to 10, 20, and then you will see you are actually all set to move into pranayama. Benefit, as simple as it may sound, the benefits are amazing. You have a headache, you just want to relax for a few seconds, you want to connect with yourself, you have some anxiety, your mind is not clear, you want to sleep, you want to take a nap, just go ahead with this one, and trust me, in around 10 rounds you will be absolutely relaxed. You need to have maybe not completely empty stomach, but you cannot do this with the full stomach. So if you have eaten something maybe an hour before, some light snacks, you can do that. Practice it now and see how relaxing this is. And when you do it regularly, you are all set to experience the shunya, the pause. Write to me if you don't understand anything. Namaste.